everybody.
It's April
And Kylie.
and we are in
The craft room.
And today we are going to give you a tour.
About the house, only in the basement, not upstairs or in the middle floor.
Correct. And this is going to be your tour guide while I hang out behind the camera, and hopefully I won't make you sick.
Yes. Everyone, this is my area where I make crafts, and it's a little bit of a mess. April and me share this, but sometimes she gives me room and sometimes I give her room. My mom's sister, she loves giraffes. So, April, you can show the giraffes. Emily, and my mom's name is Brittany. But I used to call her Mommy and Mama and Mom. But she only likes Mommy and Mom. Here's my little sister, Macy. But it's show her. This is the sewing machine, and I don't get to use it, but I'm gonna use it one day when I get greater and greater at sewing thingy, embroidery machine. And there's a lot of more things to show you in this room. And look at that wall. This is a iron thingy for something, but I don't know. This is the scanning cut, and there's Minnie Mouse, and that's Mickey Mouse. This is a sublimation printer. This is a sewing machine cabinet, and look, it can even open. And I'll show you the sewing machine right now. It's right here. This is Gigi's messy table too. There's drawers right here. These are a Frimwas. This drawer has a lot of ink and I like to use it. That is Gracie. She likes the nipple. A table that can close and open, see? And this is a kangaroo from the kangaroo shop. This is a table somebody made, but we don't know.
Yes, we do. It was Beepaw and
Papa.
Yeah.
This is Todd's and Papa. Billy Paw.
Right.
This is a sewing machine. April likes to use it a lot, and this is different tape I've never seen. It says put it right there. This is the fabric wall. There is these and red and rainbow. But my most favorite rainbow one is the stars. See, they're super unique. These are fat quarters. There is so many, but I like to use them the most. See, there. This one is my favorite fat quarter. And this is also my favorite because it looks like Dalmatian spots. This is a sewing machine, but I'm not allowed to use it yet. But this is a pretty chair, but we just put this on there. But we'll just put it right there for now. Look how many polka dots. This is a closet, and look, the door's open, but this is the cleaning. These are the art supplies. Hey everyone, this is the TV, where I watch TV, not Macy or April. And I'll show you how it opens. But this one doesn't want to cooperate right here. This is where I sit. I like to lay down and sit and like a lot of stuff. This is where we figure out how to make a quilt and we design stuff. But sometimes I put stickers on there on accident. This is our craft room, and I hope you have a great day. And let's all count to 3, and then we say, our craft room. 1, 2, 3. Our craft room. Have a great day. Eat some chocolate and be kind to everyone. Have a great day.
Have a great time. Great day.
And have a great next time when we film another craft room video. Have a great day. Bye. I said that wrong, but I hope you don't care. Okay. Because I'm only 6 years old, and my little sister is 10 months old, and she's about to be 11 months old, and I'm about to be 7, and I'm old. There's a whole basement that has a bunch of stuff, and Macy just likes to do crazy stuff. I also said that one wrong, like that one right there. But I hope you don't care again.
It sounded good to me.
This is all fun, everyone, so you better be entertained, and there's also going to be my videos on YouTube, but they're different videos. So, this is Gigi's craft room tour video, but both of ours. What?
It's your craft room too.
Both of our craft room, and there's a beautiful art. And I accidentally poked my finger, but I put that. But that's a butterfly. So you better not.
You don't have to come up that close. Just look in here.
Okay. Hold on. Let's have an itch. Okay. That is Gracie. That is Gracie. That's Gracie, and that's April's hand. But it fits my hand, kinda.
Yep. It was when I was little.
Yep. But let's not talk about that right now.
Okay. Let's go.
And look, this is a little Joey.
Yeah.
And look, we can only pull it out like that much. But the little Joey doesn't have arms or bouncy legs because it's just made like that. And that's the toy sewing machine.
Yes.
Right there. And that's my Raggy doll. And April will let me use that. April will give me that when I will get older. Here is flip-flops, but it's a garbage can. Yeah, we don't usually talk about that. But look, this is just a cup from a toy, and I like to put these flowers in there, and I like to put them right there. And these are scissors I'm not allowed to use because they're really sharp. But when they have this on it, I could just touch this. But